Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hear me work when you make.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl? In today's video, we are going to be unlocking the flawless natural beat of 2024 using simple and affordable products. One thing that I want to switch from 2023 to 2024 is the fact that I use the same products every single time I do my makeup. I'm the type of person that when I like it, I'm just gonna use it. So I decided to switch it up, and we still got a flawless beat. So I just need to get out of my comfort zone with this makeup and try some new stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want to know how to slay your face for 2024 on a budget but also looking good, definitely I urge you to keep watching. Watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any key steps. All right, girls, so we're gonna moisturize our lips with the Juvias Volumizing gloss sticks for some plump full lips, and then I am gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but down below is going to be the link to that tutorial. We're jumping right into skin prep here, so I'm using my Glow Recipe watermelon moisturizer just to bring moisture right back into my skin after washing it. And then we're going to take my favorite primer, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now, I know I said I was using all new products in today's video, but this one has me in a chokehold. So, yeah. We're just going to spray my face down with the Morphe Prep Spray. I'm going to take the Juvias Radiant Foundation, just a little bit, not too much. We're going to spread this all over the face in a nice thin layer, and we are going to blend her out with a paw sponge. Now, this sponge is so elite. It is so soft, and you literally get like 8 sponges for like $9 on Amazon. It's linked down below in my description box under Amazon storefront favorites, okay? So I did add a little bit more foundation off camera, but now we're going to jump into the Juvias cream bronzers. This shade is too dark for me. This is amber, so I'm being very light-handed with it, but we're just putting that on my cheeks, and my forehead. Next up, we're going to take the Tarte concealer, and we are just going to highlight under our eyes, making sure we're looking nice and awake and we're covering any dark spots. Here, I'm being very extra. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and we're going to put that on the rest of my face, okay? And I just didn't want to use all my Tarte because I was running out of it. So, yeah, I was being a little cheap here. I do need to get the full-size Tarte, but we'll do that in a makeup shopping vlog coming soon. So now we're just taking my paw sponge, and we are just blending everything out, really taking our time. It's sped up and cut up in this video, but in reality, I really take my time to blend out my foundations, concealers, anything, just so it can look more skin-like, okay? So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is the mattifying formula. It's a little bit lighter, so I just want to take a little bit in the inner corners just to brighten my under eye some more. And with my One Size translucent setting powder, we are going to just blend out my under eye just to remove any creasing, and then go straight in with the setting powder, just locking in the concealer, making sure everything is nice and sitting. Today we will not be baking because I want this look to look very natural, and we're just blending some setting powder all over where we put some concealer, making sure everything just looks super seamless and not too cakey and not too heavy. And then we're going to take a little bit more setting powder, and we're just going to apply that onto the face just to set everything and lock it down, my girl. So I lost my freaking blush palette. I don't know where it is, and I just bought it, but we're going to use the Sweet Tea palette from Morphe, and I'm just going to take that pink shade that I showed you guys and just use that as a blush for today. And I really wanted a really pink, fun, flirty look. This YSL mascara, girl, has me in a chokehold. I don't really have long lashes, but this really does this one by making my lashes look way longer. So we're just going to go ahead and put that on the top and bottom. Then I'm going to take my Remedy lashes in style Dreamy. These are very natural, so if you want a more dramatic look, you can step up the look with some bold lashes, but I really want to be showing my natural features in 2024. I just want to look more natural and like a breath of fresh air. I feel like that is the look of the year, my girl. I set my face again with the Morphe setting spray, which is going to be linked down below, and a little bit more of that clear gloss, and that's it. All right, my loves, I hate this part of the video because I hate when it's over. I just want to sit and just be in the essence of you guys all freaking day, but that's okay because we're going to be dropping more and more content throughout this week and for the weeks to follow. We're going to be very consistent for 2024, so period. Okay, if you are gang, okay, this is only for the girls that are already subscribed to my channel. They watch all my videos. Go ahead and comment down below this secret emoji. Let me know where my girls at. Tap in, tap in, tap in. But if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, let me tell you something. If you made it this far, babes, you probably like me. You probably like me. Y'all, they're doing construction and it's beeping. Don't mind that. I think it's just smart to, you know, subscribe to the channel now. Join the team and just do it like Nike. On my channel, all beauty related things. I'm talking hair, makeup, nails. Doesn't matter. You're just going to learn how to be the flawless, elevated version of yourself possible, okay? So you can also comment down below that secret emoji. You could do it too. I'm going to give it to everybody. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up already. Hopefully you guys didn't forget to do that. And I literally cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. I have been having, you know, like writer's block. I've been having a little bit of creator's block. So if you guys have any like videos that you guys want to see, comment that down below so I can get to working on that for you guys. I have some things in the works, but let me know what you guys want to see. So I love you guys so much once again, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.